going to discuss about the GATE 2012 EC paper. In that, on the communication subject, the topic is related to the frequency modulation and phase modulation. The given question is the signal M of t is shown in is applied both to phase modulator with Kp as the phase constant and frequency modulator with Kf as the frequency constant, having the same carrier frequency. Then we have to find out the Kp by Kf ratio in radians per Hz for the same maximum phase deviation is. The options are 8 pi, 4 pi, 2 pi and pi. The message signal is given with peak to peak value of -2 to 2 and with the time period interval of 2, 4, 6, 8. The maximum peak of this message signal is positive 2 and negative is -2. Then the solution for this one is first. For this one we will write the standard equation for phase modulation waveform. Okay, that is S of t Pm equal to AC cos 2 pi FCT plus Kp into M of t, where M of t is the message signal, Kp is the phase sensitivity. This Kp M of t is combinedly called as phase deviation, that is denoted by pi of t. Here pi of t means phase deviation of the Pm wave, that is nothing but Kp into M of t. Similarly, we will write the standard equation for Fm waveform, that is S of t Fm equal to AC cos 2 pi FCT plus 2 pi Kf into integral of M of t dt, where in Fm the integral of message signal is considered. Here 2 pi Kf integral M of t dt is considered as the phase deviation of the Fm modulation. In the problem given as the maximum phase deviation of Pm is equal to the maximum phase deviation of Fm wave. Okay, by considering that we have to find out the maximum phase deviation for Fm and Pm individually. Now consider phase deviation of Pm waveform is Kp M of t. Then the maximum phase deviation is, that is maximum, that equal to Kp into where M of t maximum. Okay, in the figure this is given as this is the M of t. The maximum peak value is 2 volts, that means M of t maximum is 2. Here the Kp equal to into the M of t maximum is 2, then this equal to 2 Kp. Similarly, find out the maximum phase deviation for Fm waveform, that is nothing but 2 pi Kf into M of t dt at maximum condition. For the integration we have to consider the interval 0 to 2. Okay, then this equal to 2 pi Kf, the integration 0 to 2, the M of t max dt at maximum, that is nothing but 2 pi Kf 0 to 2, M of t maximum is 3 and dt. Okay, now integrate this one. The constant integration is 2 into t, that is at 0 to 2 limits, then 2 pi Kf into 2 into t, that is 4. This is nothing but 8 pi Kf. This is the maximum peak phase deviation of Fm wave, where 2 Kp is the maximum peak phase deviation of Pm wave. Now equate the both the signals, that is 2 Kp equal to 8 pi Kf. Now 8 by kf. Now the required term is kp by kf, that equal to 8 pi by 2. 2 will cancelled out 4 times, that equal to 4 pi. The answer is 4 pi. Option is